Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you some secrets iOS 26 camera settings on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the camera app on your phone. Did you know iOS 26 has hidden options on their settings? Here you can enable Pro RAW for photos, which gives you super high quality images you can edit later. Also, turn on Pro Raise for videos. If your iPhone supports it, it's like recording on studio quality, perfect for editing on your Mac or iPad. Next, check out lens correction. This fixes distraction automatically, especially for ultra wide shots. You can turn it on so your photos look natural without any editing. There is also grid view, which is a hidden hero for keeping your shots perfectly. Go to settings, then camera, then tap on grid and you will automatically see the lines appear on your screen. Now for a trick, tap and hold the exposure button in the camera app. This lets you adjust brightness manually, giving you full control over light and shadows. And don't miss live photos effect. iOS 26 lets you turn live photo into loop, bounce or long exposure right inside the photos app. It's like magic for your movie shots. So that's it. Secret iOS 26 camera settings that can take your iPhone photography to the next level. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.